A 20-year-old Singaporean woman has been sentenced to probation for making a false police report that nearly destroyed a man's life. The shocking part? It all started from a paid date that went wrong. This case gripped many because it wasn't about a misunderstanding. It was a deliberate lie. The woman, Clarice Ling Minute Ree, met a 43-year-old man on a dating platform called Sugarbook. They agreed to meet at a hotel for what she called a sugar date. After having consensual sex, she demanded $1,200 from him. But when the man refused to pay that amount, and instead offered $500, things took a dark turn. Upset and angry, she threatened to report him for rape. And she did. She walked straight to the police station and claimed she had been sexually assaulted. The police took her report seriously, as they should. Investigations began quickly, but it didn't take long for the truth to surface. CCTV footage from the hotel told a very different story. The video showed her leaving the room calmly, not distressed or hurt, the complete opposite of what she told police. When officers confronted her with the evidence, she broke down and admitted she had made up the story. It was all a lie, triggered by anger and money. Clarice was charged for giving false information to a public officer and for using threatening words to cause alarm. She eventually pleaded guilty. In court, her lawyer argued that she was immature, made a rash decision, and that she had cooperated with police after confessing. The prosecution agreed she should get probation, considering her age and early admission of guilt. The judge sentenced her to 12 months of supervised probation. During this time, she must observe a curfew from 10 at night to 6 in the morning, perform 60 hours of community service, and her parents had to sign a $5,000 bond to ensure her good behavior. While the punishment may sound lenient, the consequences of her lie were serious. False rape allegations don't just waste police resources, they can destroy lives, reputations, and make it harder for real victims to come forward. In a society that urges victims to speak up, one false report can undo years of progress. But this case also raises tough questions. When sex and money mix, when consent is tied to payment, how should the law draw the line? Was this simply a false report, or was it also an attempt at extortion? The police acted fast and fairly, clearing the innocent man's name within hours. But the case leaves behind a painful reminder that truth and trust are fragile, especially in matters as serious as sexual assault. As Singapore continues to discuss gender, consent, and justice, stories like this one highlight how honesty must remain the foundation of every claim. If you found this story eye-opening, tell us what you think. Should false accusations like this be punished more harshly? Or was probation fair enough for someone so young? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you appreciate detailed, factual stories that go beyond the headlines, remember to like, share, and subscribe to 2230.